Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coding Made Easy. So in my previous video, that is this keyword in JavaScript part 1, we have seen a few examples of this keyword usage. We have seen how this behaves in method and how this behaves in function. Let's just quickly recap the things uh, in start method. Uh, Start method inside car object. Like this refers to the car object. And in whiteboard function, this refers to the window object. So I think this we have seen in my previous video. In this video, let's see a few examples where this behaves. Uh, okay. Let's take the same example of this car object, but we will call the start method inside car object differently. Okay. So, I'm creating one variable called demo, and inside this variable, I'm storing the method call of start. Here, if you observe, I'm not calling the start method. I'm just storing the start method inside the demo variable. Now I will call the start method by using demo variable. See, let's see what will be the output. See, so this is the miracle. Here, when we call the start method directly, we have seen the output as pod started. But when we assign that start method to one demo variable and when we call that demo variable, we have seen the output as start method because in case of start car.start for car.start, the start method is calling on car object. So there, this will refers to the car object. That's why inside that object we have name property. That's why code has printed. But in this case, in demo case, uh, demo case, it has called on the window object. If you remember in my part one video, I said when we have nothing on the left hand side of any method or function, by default it will be the window object. So here demo will be called on the window object. So that's why here in this case this refers to the window object, and inside window what is the value of name? Name is empty. That's why here uh, that's why start method has written with only started string. There is no code in front of started. Okay. So we have seen how this behaved in like a method inside the object. Now let's see how this behave inside the classes. Uh, okay. For that, I will create another file index.js. Here, let's take class uh, and let's give name as vehicle. And inside this class, we will be having constructor to uh, initialize the variables with name, sorry, v name, the git, and this dot v name equal to v name. And here, let's write one method inside this class, and let's give that method name as mm, stop, then vehicle. Okay, and this method will return the output as uh, vehicle stop. For now, we will just return simple string. Okay. Now I will refer this file in index.html, index.js. Okay. Now, uh, here, if you can see here, we have simple class name vehicle, and inside it we have this stop the vehicle method, which is returning the string vehicle stop. Okay. So in order to so we have to create instance for this class. VH equal to new vehicle, and the name is some Skoda. Okay. So the instance is created for this class. Okay. Now if we try to print the instance, we have this object. Inside that object, we have vname as one of the property. Okay. And if you want to call the stop the vehicle method inside our instance, we have to call with the help of vh instance. Okay. Now you can see the output vehicle stop. Now let's see how this will behave inside class. Okay. So I'm trying to print like a vname inside stop vehicle. Let's see how it will behave. This dot vname. Okay. Now same. Let's create the instance of the class by using new keyword. Let's give car name as BMW. Okay. VH dot stop vehicle. See. So BMW vehicle stop. Okay. So why in this place from where BMW is coming? BMW is coming from VM name, vname variable. This dot vname variable. This dot vname variable, where it is there inside the vh object, vh instance in this case. Okay, that's why we are able to fetch uh, the value of vname, that is BMW. Okay. Um, so in the same place, so in this case also we will try to uh, call the stop vehicle in another way, like const kk equal to let's try to assign this stop vehicle to one variable and try to call this variable. Now, any guesses what will be the output? Let's see. See, now we've got one error. Cannot read property of undefined. Why? Why? Because there is no. So, okay. When we call stop vehicle on VH instance, this is referring to VH. Okay. If you try to print this here, okay, you will get an idea. Const react equal to new vehicle BMW. Okay. Now, when you try to call here, see here the console.log. Here this is referring to the this object, VH object. In that object we have vname. That's why BMW is printed. But in case of VH dot top, but in this case, see this is referring to undefined. Okay, cannot read property of undefined reading. So in on undefined, you are trying to inside undefined, you are trying to access the vname property. So that's why we got the error. Okay. So yeah, in this class case, this will behave like this.